everyone, I'm Marge.
And I'm Tiffany. And this is Terrell. And you're watching the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show. Woo!
Oh, yeah. As you know, I have some Marge, and welcome back to the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show, where we help our brother Terrell make some of his favorite meals. Since he's autistic, sometimes Terrell can't really communicate to us what he wants, so this is a way of helping him. So today's episode is
Memorial Day Barbecue.
That's right. And Chef Tiffany's, she's still alive. What will we be making for our Memorial Day barbecue?
Today we'll be making cheeseburgers with fries. Ow! What you get for the fries?
I said, you get your hands off the tongue.
So as you can see, we're already started preparing the patties and the fries.
For time's sake. Ah, those look good.
Ow!
This might need a flip. I don't want to see that.
Ow! I said I feel my head.
For today's sidebar.
Today's sidebar is very special. It's bittersweet true truffles. Wait, no, that's the wrong one. It's bittersweet. Margaret, take it from me.
I am leaving the Puzzle Kidz Cooking Show, y'all. I'm going on to more, I want to say, enthusiastic activities. Something that really helped me find my true passion, or my true power, or my true essence. We'll go on from there. Oh, don't worry how y'all not gonna be excited that I'm leaving, especially you. Well, maybe Terrell. Well, he don't notice I'm here anyway.
Yeah, you're leaving. Hallelujah. Anyway, and that's today's sidebar.
Thank you.
The time has come. We are putting the cheese on the hamburger patties. Oh yes, put all the cheese on it. And now, Javon will give you some special clips of Margaret. Special or especially funny. Roll the clips.
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget, on July 28th, one of you lucky subscribers will win our prize.
It could be you, or you, and you down there, or you, or you.
Excuse me, Jeannie, or Fat Albert, or I think both of them do the little end credit scene where they do you, or you. Hey, you in the back there, where you going? You better sit on down and come back watching our show. It's to the birthday boy! And that's all we got. Join these two in their shenanigans next week.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow the two of us on Instagram at PKCS2018. See y'all next time.
Say bye, Terrell.
So bye, Terrell. Bye.
Thanks, y'all. Had a blast.
Keep going. Thank God. Did I say that? Bye.